to the Navarose channel. It is your girl Navarose, and happy almost Valentine's Day. This is like one of my favorite holidays, mainly because all the stores are covered in pink and have roses everywhere, and rosé is also everywhere. This is like pretty much my whole aesthetic, so you can probably guess why I love this holiday so much. Although not everyone likes Valentine's Day, especially the people that are single and the ones that hate PDA. So for this video, I'm gonna do things a little different. I'm gonna be showing you guys a ton of different Valentine's Day outfit ideas, but I'm gonna go through like the different types of love. So single, people that are taken, people that are married, the ones that hate love, you know, like all different kinds. I didn't want to leave anyone out. A lot of the clothes that you guys will be seeing in the outfits are from Boohoo, so thank you to Boohoo for partnering with me on this video. All these pieces are from their latest collection, so you get to see all the new styles, and that way you guys could get them right in time for Valentine's Day, or you know, just for the month of February, because they're all so cute. I will be linking all the Boohoo items down in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Oh my gosh, I'm just having so much fun with this rose. Also, if you guys don't have a Valentine yet, I will be your Valentine. You guys could be my Valentine, then we could all have like a cute little Valentine Day party. It'll be fun. Now, are you guys ready for all these Valentine's Day looks? Because I am. So let's continue onto this video. So we're gonna start off with what I am. So this is my taken and wanna look cute look. This is pretty much half of the population, so it's pretty simple. Leopard and cheetah print have always been part of that sexy aesthetic, so I went with this cute ruffle dress from the Boohoo collection. Paired it with these lace-up stiletto booties and my leather jacket from Zara that I wear in every single outfit. For jewelry, I layered gold necklaces and chain hoop earrings. You guys would think that this dress is pretty sexy, but I say that the ruffles and the puff sleeve give it kind of like a sexy, cute, and charming look. Oh, and cheetah and red roses definitely scream out Valentine's Day, even though it's like extremely basic, but whatever. Also, my boyfriend didn't get me any of these things. I bought all these roses and this teddy bear for myself for this video. So next we're going with what the other half of the population is. So here we have my single and wanna look cute look. It's like you want to look cute, but you don't want to look like you're trying too hard, so this shift mini dress is perfect. Like if you wear anything super tight and short, especially on Valentine's Day, you are making a statement, man. I pair this dress with some simple O-ring booties and black cat eye glasses to accent the black cheetah print on my dress. I also threw on one cherry earring because wearing two is just one too many, and I thought it would be a nice pop of color. And here's Oliver just distracting me. This is my single and love the single life, so I'm not looking for a relationship look. This look is perfect for those who like not being tied down, who like meeting new people and flirting and going on different dates. The single life suits you. Like, who wants to be booed up by one when you could have a million boos? I feel like this red vinyl skirt is a statement in itself, so I paired it with a simple white turtleneck, red beret, and some white sneakers. And you gotta throw on some hoop earrings because you know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the... It's funny because the only skin you're showing are your legs and you're not even wearing heels, but the skin tight vinyl skirt takes this look to a whole level of sexy. And this is the single and will probably end up being single forever, so F love look. You're just not a lovey-dovey type of person because everyone you meet sucks, so you've come to terms with yourself that you're probably just gonna end up being single for the rest of your life. And I don't know why, but this outfit just screams anti-Cupid, so that's why I picked it, but I just realized that this is an outfit that I wear pretty much every other day. All it is just an oversized striped long sleeve t-shirt with this Valentine's tee from the men's Boohoo collection, paired with my platform Doc Martens. Also featuring my black rose bouquet. Like, who knew that my Halloween decor would come in handy in the middle of February? I sure did not. Then we have this single and don't care what other people think look. You're not really trying to impress anyone, you just want to be yourself, and if someone likes you, then cool. Actually, before I met my boyfriend, I was 100% in this state of love. I was single and just wanted to be me, and if someone ended up liking me, then great. So this is what my pre-boyfriend outfit would look like. I would wear this Laguna Beach tee with pink print, paired with these sick snake print pants, some white booties to match, a pink teddy coat, and this ultra pink cute glitter mini purse. Yes, a lot of pink. The way that I see it is if they don't love you and your snake print pants, then they don't deserve you. So Connor, you better like my snake print pants. If you also can't ugly dance around them and be yourself, then is it really true love? Also, I'm gonna give away a super cute Valentine's Day gift to the first person who correctly guesses the song that I'm listening to. And here we have the single and trying to trap his ass look. This outfit is if you have your eye on someone or you're trying to get wifed up. You got the faux slack pants going on for that classy, sophisticated look, but you also hit them with the full red lace bodysuit for like a little tease. It's like, hey, I'm sexy, but I'm also serious about this relationship. And to bring up the red, I also wore a black waist belt and some black sling back pumps. Oh, and you gotta throw on that watch because, you know, that just screams you have your life together. The outfit silhouette is pretty slim and tight, so I threw on some gold door knocker earrings for a statement. You know, this outfit could also be borderline Santa Clausy, but I mean, that's like another holiday, so it's okay. You can be like, oh hey, didn't see you there. Are you single? This look is, I have a boyfriend, but we're basically married look. You two have been together for so long that you're totally cool with just wearing an oversized tee as a dress. And you're at the point where you can just eat cookies all day and maybe even fart in front of each other. Like it's that type of love. Slinky tight dresses to impress your boyfriend are extinct for you. So cinching the waist with a belt adds a little bit of style and makes it not so t-shirt-y, if you know what I mean. Ankle socks are also my current favorite with oversized tees. So I'm pairing ones that say baby girl with my black patent sneakers. And to finish off the look, throw on statement earrings and an oversized jacket. This outfit is super comfortable but still such a cute date look, especially if you guys are keeping things casual. And this is my I have a boyfriend but still want to look like I can steal your man look. You want to look so good that you scare other girls. The side ruching on this dress really makes your booty look good, so ladies, if you're into that, then definitely check out dresses like this. Of course, you can't go to a fancy dinner without a faux fur coat. Then I paired the outfit with these clear heels and some pearl cross earrings. Being in a relationship doesn't mean that you don't need to impress anyone anymore, so yeah, why not look good and dress up for your man once in a while, you know? But honestly, I feel like I wear outfits like this going to McDonald's, so it could be for any occasion if you're really that extra. And we have the Heartbroken look. This is probably the worst holiday for you and everyone in the nation is celebrating it. You don't want to dress up, so you opt for a t-shirt dress with some Anti-Valentine's Day slogan and a pair of comfy sneakers. These striped ankle socks, by the way, are from Walmart in the little girl section, in case you guys were wondering. While everyone is out there making out and posting about the love of their life on their social media, you're just at home sulking with some vodka, maybe some rosé. But don't worry, my little rosebud, there's light at the end of the tunnel and you will find love. Well, I love you, so that counts. If you do decide to go out, you can throw on a coat and a matching purse to transform your look. Oh, does anyone remember this mirror tissue box from one of my older DIYs? And this is the just broke up with my boyfriend and I'm already dating look. Maybe your last relationship just wasn't doing it for you and now you're on the hunt for your dream man, so you're already back on Tinder, on Coffee Meets Bagel, or Bumble, or Christian Mingle, whichever app you prefer. You also want to look extra cute just so your ex can see that he let a good one go. You know what I mean? Make him cry over you. I'm just kidding. Maybe just like make him hurt a little bit. I wanted to try something different with this dress and actually pair it with some thigh-high boots, throw on some oversized statement earrings and some confidence, and you are good to go. I was very skeptical because I only pair thigh-highs with oversized tees or shorts, but there's something about this combo that I love so much. I wanted to do a look for the mamas who have a little baby on the way, so this is my pregnant and caring look. And of course I would be doing this, but you know, I heard it's pretty good to stay active while pregnant. So I don't have a baby, but I do have a bag of stuffing. I don't give birth to babies, y'all. I give birth to DIY projects. I figured a nice little sundress that ties under the boob is a great look for anyone who has a baby on the way. The ruffles are a nice way to add dimension to other parts of your body. I then finished the outfit with my white heel sandals. I was actually struggling. Like, I didn't realize how hard it is to bend over with a little human in front of you. And for jewelry, I put on these darling rhinestone heart earrings. Ooh, I look like a fun mom. Or my baby might just hate me because I move around too much. And speaking of babies, we also have a sugar baby look. If you're living this life, then all the power to you. I obviously don't live this life, but I like to dress like I do because I am my own sugar daddy, okay? This outfit has to be EXTRA. So we got here a lace bodysuit with a white leather skirt. By the way, these are my favorite bodysuits. If you couldn't tell by the red one I was wearing earlier, I have this same exact bodysuit in like 5 different colors. Throw on some white heel sandals, as much bling as you can. I'm wearing rhinestone hoop earrings with 2 rhinestone belts. And what is the sugar baby look without an oversized faux fur coat to show everyone that money ain't a thing? You also have to have an initial necklace for your sugar daddy's name, right? The R actually just stands for my last name. I don't have a sugar daddy or anything. Also, this song just happened to come on during this outfit and I thought it was very fitting. I I literally spilled a whole glass of rosé all over my shoes and all over the floor. And I have no idea how that happened, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are gonna be like, well, Alexa, obviously it's because you're drinking rosé. Actually, this rosé is non-alcoholic, so I have no idea how I'm so clumsy today. Okay, that's all. Back to filming. Here we have the married with kids look, and isn't this what we all hope to achieve in life one day? I had to do at least one fully covered outfit, but not really because it's backless. A nice knit sweater and some jeans is a great outfit if you want to keep it casual, you know? I chose this sweater mainly because I love the knot in the back and I like that it adds a bit of cuteness, especially for Valentine's Day. And to add some bling or accent, I threw on this oversized gold chain belt. Also, I obviously don't have a husband or kids, but I do have a dog, so here's my child Oliver looking very upset that I awoke him from his nap just so I could swing him around. Oh my gosh, look at the disrespect when he rejects my kiss. I'm so hurt. And here we have the married to my career look, because there are actually some people that are just like that. You don't really have time for a relationship because you're so focused with work, so you had to wear your suit from work and transition it into a cute day night outfit. Or we could just call this like a sexy secretary look. This is also just an excuse for me to wear my all pink suit, you know? To add a girly touch to my outfit, I wore a black lace bralette underneath and my sling. Oh my gosh, Oliver. And now here I am pretending that this phone actually makes me look somewhat professional, even though it obviously does not. And last but definitely not least, this is the married to myself look, because at the end of the day, if you can't find love, you will always love yourself. BTS. This one calls for a no outfit because it's all about you, yourself, and I, so lounging around in lingerie and a satin robe is all you need on Valentine's Day. To change up my basic robe, I tucked in the sides and shifted the opening to make a side slit. You obviously have to throw on a crown because doesn't everyone just lounge around in a crown in their home? I sure do. Finish off with a pair of satin bow slides since you're just at home and you are done. You know, if I was single and didn't want to deal with the ridiculous amount of PDA on Valentine's Day, I would probably just stay my butt at home and actually wear this. So that concludes all my looks for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like that I chose different types of people in love or not in love. Let me know which one down below you guys are, because I know I am taken and trying to look cute. Although I would wear each and every one of these outfits, mainly because I put them together. But anyways, also there was no alcoholic drinks being consumed on set today, believe it or not, for someone that loves rosé. Once again, I will put all the links for the Boohoo items down in my description box. That way you guys can check out all the items that you love. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. Play my little heart. I love you guys all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!